morning, children. Today I wanted to take articles. Okay, ma'am? So already 4 lessons completed. Then on 8th we have the revision 2 exam. That is syllabus for revision 2. Ikat, the story of Ikat. We go through the textbook thoroughly and what are the grammar part, they and creativity also I will give. So all of you attempt the questions. Okay, all of you attend the exam and write all the answers correctly and send your answer paper to the office room. Okay, ma? But be patient, don't neglect, don't be lazy. Okay, today our topic is articles. What are the articles? A and the. Okay, so A and or the indefinite article. Indefinite articles. When we have to use the a and, actually a and we have to use which are the countable. Which are the countable? First you remember it. Which are the countable? And then where we have to use the a and where we have to use and. First one, before countable. Knowledge. Are you going to count the knowledge? No. So we should not use the a and for the uncountable. So which are the countable? But here a and we vowels are a, e, I, o, u. These 5 are known as the vowels. A, e, I, o, u. These are the vowels. Before the vowels, which are the words start with A, E, I, O, U, we are writing an apple, an ink pot, an orange, an egg, an umbrella. Okay, these are we are learning from the over section. Before A, E, I, O, U, we are adding, we are using an. And you remember it, why I am stressing. Whereas I am giving the 3 sounds. Number 1 is the U sound. I am writing in Telugu only. U sound. That U sound come from the vowel word, from the vowel letter. That U sound come from vowel letter. Can you tell which word will give the U sound? We are not saying the U. We are saying the U sound. Can you tell? Anyone? Okay, I'll tell. European, European, university, university, useless, unicorn. These are okay. European, we won't say European. European, university, useless, unicorn. So E and U are the vowels. E and U are the vowels. Then why we are writing instead of an, a? Because this U sound come from the consonant. U sound come from the consonant. What are the letters are not here that are known as the consonants? So E and U are the vowels, but we got the sound from the consonant. Before the consonant we are writing the A. So here we have to use the A European, A university, A useless and A unicorn. Okay, ma? So instead of an, you remember it. A, E, I, O, U are the vowel. Before the vowels, you are writing the an. Whereas I gave the U sound. Where you got the U sound, instead of the an, you have to write the A. Okay. And second one, wa sound. Second one is the wa sound. That wa sound also, that wa word also come from the vowel. Can you tell anyone? These 5 letters, you remember it? What word will get the wa sound? Okay. One-eyed person. One-eyed person. one-legged person. One-legged person. Actually, before the oval, what we have to use? And. But here, this O will give the wa sound. One. So W in one, this is the consonant. We are writing the A. Okay, ma? But here, wa, O is the over, but we got the consonant sound. That's what, instead of the and, we are writing A. A1-legged person, A1-eyed person. Okay, ma? First one is the U sound and second one is the wa sound. These two you remember it. Whereas you got the U sound, you have to write the A but not the and, because these are the consonant sounds, though the letters are the vowels. And the third one, R sound. Third one is the R sound. But the R sound come from the R sound, the word comes from the consonant, which are not here remaining all the consonant. So which word will give the R sound? That letter should be in consonant. That letter should be in consonant but not the vowel. R sound. Okay, I tell our, honor. You are not saying the ha, sound. Our, honor, honest. All these come from the H is the consonant, but we got the R sound. Why we have to? What we have to use? A or an? We have to use and, because R sound come from the vowel. R sound come from the vowel. Before the consonant we are writing the A. But here this R sound come from the vowel. That's what we have to use and our and honest. You have to remember three. U sound, wa sound and R sound. U and wa, the letters come from the vowel but the sound comes from the consonant. That's what we are writing the, instead of and we are writing A. Whereas the R sound, the H is the consonant but R sound come from the vowel. That's what, instead of A we are writing and. Before the consonant we have written A, but here we got the R sound. That's what we are writing the and our and honest and honorable, whatever. Have you remembered, ma? Okay. Now we have to know where we have to use the. I'll tell. Wait. Okay. So here this is the definite article. The is the definite article. So where we have to use I saw a stranger last night. I saw a stranger last night. Where we are using repeatedly, we have to use the. Where we have to use the. I saw a stranger last night. The same stranger. That means the same stranger. That's what we are repeating, the stranger. The stranger was arrested. So first, what we use repeatedly, what we are using, we have to use the. Okay, ma? And second one, names of rivers, names of oceans, names of mountain ranges, not mountain ranges. For example, the Himalayas, the Alps, but not the mountains. Before the rivers, oceans and mountain ranges. For example, the Himalayas, the Alps, but not mountains. Before the trains, the Janashatabdi. Okay, so before the trains also we have to use the. And third one, we have to use the rooms, which are the objects in the house. The kitchen, please pass the salt. What are the things we are available? The bedroom, particular bedroom. Okay, the kitchen, the dining table, which are found in the house, we have to use the da. Then next one is the before musical instruments, the piano, the tabla, the guitar. Before the instruments we have to use the da, because da is the definite article, a and or the indefinite article. Then next one, before musical instrument, before superlative degree, I told you degrees of comparison. Before the superlative degree we have to use the da. The most beautiful, the largest one, the smallest one, the biggest one, the tallest one. So before the superlative degree we have to use the da. Next one, before the first month, the ordinals, we have to use the the first of month, the third occasion. So da we have to use. Next one, before newspaper, the Deccan Chronicle, the Enadu, the Saturday. So before the newspapers also we have to use the da. Then the holy book, the Quran, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Bhagavad Gita, so all holy books. Before the holy book we have to use the da. The last one is the names of famous buildings, the Taj Mahal, the Agra, the Qutub Minar. Before the famous buildings we have to use da. So here we have to learn a and or the indefinite article, da is the definite article. So you have to remember and listen carefully and try to write all the answers correctly. Okay, ma? You have to remember where we have to use the a and. U sound and was sound, R sound you have to remember. Be careful. Grammar is not the subject. Grammar, know the correct English. So wherever you, these are the competitive exams also, it is very useful one. So you have to be very careful. But don't neglect. You try to attend the exam on 8th of this month. You to go through thoroughly and read thoroughly and remember all what are the grammar part, including textual grammar, then vocabulary, everything you will get. So be careful. Okay, ma? Bye.